Objective number 7, using the slide sorter view. Slide sorter view displays thumbnails of all the slides in a presentation, and you can use it to rearrange and delete slides and apply formatting to multiple slides. All right, let's give it a go. Activity 1.28, deleting slides in a slide sorter view. And we're going to go to the bottom right hand corner of the PowerPoint presentation. We're going to click on the slide sorter. Now, I may or may not be able to do that simply because of the way my screen is set up. Let's go give it a go. Okay, and you know what, guys? I can. Bottom right hand corner, slide sorter, give it a second, and there you go. Now, all the slides are kind of laid out there. Imagine they're all laid on the table, and we can just rearrange them by shuffling them or just by completely deleting them if we don't want them anymore. And apparently we can format them too. So we've done that, number 1. Number 2. If necessary, click on slide 1. Still a bit confused by this guy here, but okay. Maybe I messed up. Wouldn't be the first time. Slide 1. And we're going to notice a thick outline surrounds it. And we're going to delete it. All right, that makes sense to us. Select it on the keyboard, press delete. Gotcha. So now the new slide 1 is much more appropriate. It's got a beautiful picture and the title makes sense. We've now got 7 remaining slides. Okay. And we're going to save it. So now we're going to move the single slide from one location to the other, and that's activity 1.29 with the presentation displayed in a slide sorter view. We're going to click on slide 2. Where the heck are we going to put this puppy? We're going to drag it down to the right of slide number 6. So number 2, drag in a diagonal fashion to the right of number 6 and to the left of number 7. So it's snug in between 6 and 7, which actually now it becomes the new number 6. Alright. And there it is. Now I know mine looks a little bit weird, so I messed up somewhere. Or, I probably messed up. Okay, but I'm not going to do it again. So we let go of the mouse and we've moved it to the slide 6 location. And selecting contiguous and non-contiguous slides and moving multiple slides. Contiguous means slides that are together, and obviously non-contiguous means slides that are not together. Okay, and in the real life, we're not going to do it this way, but hey, it's part of the book, and because people might be taking their Microsoft certification, why not? So we're going to go to slide 2. We're going to press the Control key down. I'm going to select slide number 4. Once we've highlighted 2 and 4, what are we going to do with them? Okay. Then we're going to select 3. All right. So let's do this piece by piece. So 2 and 4. Beautiful. Then we're just going to randomly click on number 3, which is going to deselect the other 2. Then we're going to press the Shift key and go to slide 5. Boy, this is a lot of work. Okay, let's do the first part. 2 and 4. Okay, 2. Control key and 4. Select and select. Now, they want us to go back to number 3 and clicking on it. When you do that, this is what happens. It unselects everything. So now they want us to press the Shift key down and select everything up to, I believe it's number 6, 5. So 3, Shift key down, 4, and 5. So it's now, by pressing the Shift key, 3, 4, and 5. What are we going to do with these guys? And by pressing them down, you create a group of contiguous selected slides, 3, 4, and 5. And with these 3 slides selected, we're going to press the Control key and select 3. What that does is it unselects it. It's almost like wax on, wax off. So then that way, by the time we're done, we'll notice only 4 and 5 are selected. Let's see if I can do this. So 3, 4, and 5. Control key down and click on number 3. So it keeps 4 highlighted and it keeps 5 highlighted, but 3 is no longer selected. And point either to the selected cells, drag it down to the right of slide 2. All right, let's see if we can make some sense of this. Now, this is a bit tricky, not impossible, but a little tricky. My left mouse button down is going to go down, click on number 4. My left mouse button down stays down, and I'm going to drag it, and I know I've got it because it even the picture shows what it should look like. And I think it goes to the right of number 2. Yep, it does. Okay, so release it and reposition, and then we're going to go back to the View tab and Normal and save. Okay. View, Normal,